YouTube! Welcome to Half-Assed Garage. This gets half-assed all the time. Today, we are going to be taking a small commercial break from this. Because that's going to happen, later on. So for now, I'll introduce you to the Pathfinder. 02 Pathfinder. I mean, it's got leather seats that are heated and a remote start. And a speaker that's blown onto that side. So, we're going to go ahead today and look at that. I even got adapters. My aunt was so good to me, look at this, Dominic. Actually already got me the adapters, so I don't even have to cut nothing, dude. I plug that bitch in and I'm done. Screw it in, plug it in. It's fantastic.
Glory for the win.
Look at those. We got some kicker, I don't know, some CX or some CSC 65. I don't know what the fuck these things are. They're kickers though. So, yeah. Let's not make a mess here. Get that trash barrel over behind me on that side, and yeah. Let's get this thing cleaned, unwrapped and unboxed, and we'll get you guys set up via the camera here, and take this door card off. Probably really simple. Looks like a couple doodads here or there. Alright, now that I actually clicked record, door card's off. These are powered Bose speakers, and that one doesn't work, so that makes me think that maybe that power is broken on that side, because it says powered. And I guess they're individually powered, which is very fucking cool and interesting, and now it's a pain in my dick. But we're going to replace the speakers anyway. Yeah. So this looks promising. It just looks like some normal connectors here. Dominic, if you'll do the honors for me, bud. Let's open this up. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, that's nice. I can put the directions, but that's fine. Let's put that speaker down. Do me a favor. Take the camera and go open up on this speaker.
Yeah, I did do that.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Actually better. Actually better. Actually, in fact, really don't. It's better than those. But let's see. Oh, and it stops recording, but that works very well. Sounds very good. We're just gonna insert some music here every time we're jamming out, and it sounds good. Okay, guys? Yeah. All right, there you go. That worked, right?
Yes, it did.
All right. On to the other side here. I'll put this together first, then move on to the other side. But yeah, it sounds pretty good. Hope it's hope it still has bassy. It sounds really clean though, so I like it. I'm so excited. The speaker did resolve the issue. I didn't need a fucking module or power unit or fucking amplifier, whatever. I do now know why the fuck it gets so cold in this thing. So I need to tape that down. Some tape I got lying around here. And yeah, then put the fucking thing back together. Well, small update, because we came back and continued to do stuff. Cleaned up back here. Mounted the straps so I could open them, and they got like this little handy dandy little fucking carrying case that now I can't close. Yeah, You know, budgie this thing so it stops flopping around as much. And, yeah, strap the rest of that shit down. And, clean up some shit in there, put the tools away. Yeah. So, we are on to something cool now. I guess we weren't really done. No. What I'll do is, I'll stop it, and then I'll cut back to it.
Hashtag half-ass utility truck.
Ooh.
Ooh!
It's utility, I need better tires, though.
That's alright. Get meaty tires like Zach has on the Murano.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, some Falcon Wild Claws or some shit like that. That's what they're called. Alright, so we're doing something fun now. We're going to go ahead and install some LED strips in here. Why? Because I have them. So, yeah, we're going to do that, tuck everything, and I'm going to actually hardwire it so it comes on when the car comes on. So, it's Bluetooth controlled, too, which is sick. So, yeah, let's do this. So, little trick. If you're working in the cold and you're playing with glue or tape of any sort, good trick is to warm up what you're going to tape and whatnot, and the tape itself. That way the glue is activated better inside the tape, and it will actually stick instead of just falling off 10 seconds after you put it on. So there's your half-ass tip of the day.
Hashtag half-ass garage. Like, follow, subscribe.
You heard the man.